Hello and welcome to the Farming 4.0 channel. Today we will explore an exotic and fascinating topic, harvesting and processing the durian fruit, known as the king of fruits. Durian is famous for its strong smell and unique taste, and the harvesting and processing process is just as interesting. Harvesting durian is not for the faint-hearted. The fruits grow on tall trees and must be carefully picked to avoid injury or damage to the fruit. In this video, we will see how farmers use various techniques to safely harvest durian, whether it's using special tools or waiting for the fruits to naturally fall when they are ripe. After harvesting, the durian processing line begins. This involves cleaning, opening, and packaging the fruit. Processing durian requires skill and attention, as every step is crucial to maintaining the fruit's quality and freshness. For more interesting content about agriculture, don't forget to subscribe, activate the bell, and give us a like. Enjoy! The process of harvesting durian begins with proper preparation. Farmers equip themselves with protective gear, such as gloves and helmets, to protect themselves from the sharp spines and heavy weight of the fruits. Specific tools are used, such as long poles with baskets or hooks at the end, to catch and cut the fruits from the tall trees. A crucial step in this process is observing the fruit to determine if it is ready to be harvested. Farmers identify the optimal time for harvesting by checking for a strong smell and slightly cracked or soft skin. Another method is to gently tap the fruit and listen to the sound it makes. A hollow sound indicates that the durian is ripe. Harvesting techniques vary. Farmers use long poles with hooks to cut the stem that supports the fruit, especially on very tall trees. For shorter trees, durian can be harvested manually. Another common method is to wait for the durian to fall naturally when it is ripe, and then collect it from the ground. To prevent damage to the fallen fruits, farmers set up areas under the trees with nets or other materials. After harvesting, the durian must be handled carefully to avoid damaging the spines and skin. The fruits are transported in padded baskets or crates to maintain their integrity. Finally, the durians are cleaned of dirt and debris to be prepared for processing. After the durians are harvested, the detailed processing begins to prepare the fruit for market or consumption. The first stage is initial cleaning, where the fruits are washed to remove any dirt, dust, or debris from their surface. This step is essential to ensure hygiene in the subsequent stages of processing. Once cleaned, the durians are moved to the opening area. Here, experienced workers use special knives to cut open the spiky shell and expose the fruit's flesh. This step requires great skill and precision to avoid damaging the delicate pulp inside. The flesh is then carefully extracted and prepared for the next stage. The durian flesh undergoes rigorous quality control. Fruits that show defects or do not meet quality standards are discarded. The remaining fruits are sorted into categories based on size and quality. This ensures that only the best fruits reach the consumers. After sorting, the durians are packaged. Packaging is a delicate process, as the fruits must be protected to prevent damage during transportation. The flesh can be packed in various forms, such as trays sealed with plastic wrap or vacuum-sealed packages, to maintain freshness and aroma. The final stage in the processing line is labeling and preparing for transport. Labels contain important information, such as packaging date, expiration date, and origin details. Once the fruits are packaged and labeled, they are stored in temperature-controlled conditions until they are shipped to markets or customers. This complex and well-coordinated processing line ensures that durians reach consumers in the best possible condition, preserving freshness, quality, and food safety. In conclusion, the harvesting and processing of durian are meticulous and detailed processes that require special equipment and techniques to ensure the quality and freshness of the fruit. After harvesting, the durian is cleaned, carefully opened, rigorously quality checked, sorted, packaged, and labeled before being transported to markets. These complex steps ensure that durians reach consumers in the best possible condition. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell to stay updated with new videos and to always learn something new. See you next time. Bye.